Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2002 Roadtrek 200 Versatile with 75,073 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2002 Roadtrek 200 Versatile. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated dealership. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We will go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. So we got 3 seats up front in this Versatile here. The front 2 seats do swivel, so you can swivel the driver and passenger chair around, make a little bit of a lounge bed here. It's going to be more for smaller adults or children. Got a window that opens here. We do not have a screen on that, but you can open the lower portion. Got curtains for privacy. Got about 68.5 inches of headroom here in the rear where it steps up. About 74.5 inches here in the basin. Got our shower drain here in the center of the coach. The shower and bathroom are in here. We'll check that out in a little bit. But we got our exhaust fan or fantastic fan overhead in the center. This runs on DC power, so your coach battery can be like your exhaust fan or an attic fan at night. Got our track for our shower curtain here. Everything's going to drain down into the basin here in the floor. We've got a table mount here. Got seat belts on the front 3 seats, so 3 seat belts in this unit. Got our fill for our onboard fresh water tank here. A little stash spot in the door. A couple cup holders. Got a window that opens here on the lower portion with a screen. This would have been where the 4th chair would have been originally in this Roadtrek. It's been removed, so more easily accessible to get in and out of this unit, but it only has 3 chairs up front. Got AC power here. Got our propane furnace that's controlled via the thermostat in the rear. We'll check that out in a little while. 2 cup holders. Some stash spot up here. Got a window that does not open. Got a curtain here for privacy. Single basin stainless sink. 2-burner propane cooktop. Got some good counter space here. Drawers. Does not have a little cutting board there. Got our toilet area here. Got AC power there on the right. So essentially, everything's going to happen here in the center of the coach. It's your shower head and your curtain that goes around. Got a spot here. A microwave. This runs on shore power plug-in or your generator. Got a 3-way fridge freezer up top. This is a refrigerator. It's a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC power. So your shore power plug-in or your generator. DC power, meaning your coach battery or propane gas. Got directions in the bottom of the box there. Nice big drawer here. Got our fuse panel here. It's got your AC breakers and your DC fuses. Got a table there, a couple table legs, spot to hang your clothes. Got an AC plug there, that's what the air conditioner is plugged into. The air conditioner is powered via the buttons right on the front there. So here in the back, we got windows that open on both sides on the lower. We do not have screens for those. Got a window that opens for an emergency exit here in the rear. Got curtains throughout for privacy. Essentially, we've got one twin sleeper here, or you can make up the big bed. There's a table beneath this cushion. Use that table, and there's another board behind here to fill in this space. Take these cushions and make up the big bed. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The rear single twin measures approximately 27 inches north-south or front to back and 77 inches east-west or side to side. If you make up the big bed in the back, it measures approximately 51 inches north-south or front to back and 77 inches east-west or side to side. Here we are sitting in the rear of the Roadtrek. Cucumbers hate becoming pickles. For them, it's a jarring experience. A couple screw holes here. There's a little bit of a color change here on the veneer. Got a noxious gas detector, AC power, DC power. Got AC power here. Got a thermostat for our propane furnace here. Got speakers in the rear up here and also over here. Those will play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to up front. Our TV's on a swivel mount, so you can swivel this out to face the front. You can watch TV from the front. Got a couple screw holes here and here. Some staples here. A curtain you can pull all the way around the front for privacy while you're parked. Got our manuals. Got our 3 Roadtrek windows up front. Got the curtain there for privacy as well. So all in all, got a nice little Roadtrek here. This one does show more age on the exterior. We'll check that out here momentarily on the outside portion of the tour. I'm going to call this a nice 7 out of 10. I think it's cleaner on the inside than it shows on the outside, but still a nice clean Roadtrek ready to hit the road and have some fun. Check it out at Kuhn Truck and RV, truckandrv.com. The best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Also got AC power here in the kitchen. Forgot to mention that earlier. It's good for your coffee pot, toaster oven, things like that. Here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player. Nice clean upholstery. Nice clean carpet. Got our glove box there. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, funny smells. Cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain because some people have some magic noses, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. We're going to go around the outside of this 2002 Roadtrek 200 Versatile. This RV measures 20 feet 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 3719 date codes. This Roadtrek is built on a Chevy 3500 Express chassis with a 5.7-liter V8 engine with 75,073 miles. Got actual alloy rims on this unit. Got a porch light. We do have some age in general around on this unit. Something that's seen a little more sun. I'd say this one is cleaner inside than it is outside. Got some little paint chips up top. We've got the back of the refrigerator. Some storage space here. This is where a spare tire would have been or could still be put. Got a nice pass-through storage here. We got our awning center rafter and crank here. It's a good spot for fishing poles, chairs, things like that for your campsite or whatever you're doing in this Roadtrek. Coming around now to the back of the unit. Got our air conditioner coming out top here. Spare tire here, so actually we've got that removed and put on the rear, so you don't need to put it in there. You can use that for extra storage space. Got a tow package. Got our generator there on the left and our propane tank on the right. It's filled through that yellow cap there. Got our generator exhaust here. Some of the striping. Got a little repair spot there. Coming around now to the driver's side. Got our outside shower here, our city water coming in. You can fill the onboard freshwater tank through that. We've got the coach battery here. Got our shore power cord, some more storage here. Fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Our furnace exhaust, back of our water heater. Closer look at some of the stripes here. And we've got some scuzziness on the Roadtrek here, similar on the other side as well. A little paint boo-boo there. Got our sewer drains down here, black first, then the gray. Got some stripe issues. It's kind of throughout on this unit. Nothing that affects the fun or the usability of this unit though. It's gone through our full inspection process. Check it out at truckandrv.com. This one is ready to hit the highway.